Hey guys, welcome to Sleight of Doug. It's Doug Wonder here, and today we're going to do a deck review on the Artisan deck, the Black Edition. There's a lot of embossment going on the deck. So everything's kind of embossed, the Black Edition words, the spade symbol. It says the Guild of Artisans, U.S. Playing Card Company on front. On the back, it has this really cool design that has AG. It's really embossed. It looks very Victorian-ish. It's very nice. It creates a really standout box. But let's get into it. Here is the Artisan deck. Inside there are no prints or anything inside the flap, so that's the box. Back of the deck is the same as the back of the box, of course without the embossment, but it has more of the blacks that stand out than the actual shiny gold, but it looks very smooth. And it says the Guild of Artisan, and then this is actually a double backer, which is really cool. There's some cool things that you can do with this. I'll actually show you guys a trick that you can do with this double backer here with the deck in just a moment. So you get a double backer. The rest of the cards, if I'm not mistaken, these are all pretty much regular on the back. Let's take a look at the front of the cards. Normally with your regular bicycle deck, the reds really pop out, but they've seen to dull the colors to kind of give it more of the black tones. So it kind of creates like a darker shade for these cards. It all flows together so well. So looking at these cards, the gold, it has a shimmer to it, which is really cool. They have, of course, two jokers. I don't really see a difference between the two jokers. They look exactly the same, but pretty cool to actually see a joker in there, and he's got the Joker hat on, and it says Jolly Joker. So that's a little different. It's a unique thing that they have for this deck. So we'll set those to the side and let's get into the Ace of Spades. And they've decided to go with, as I put it, the Victorian style with the vine kind of going through, and you can see the leaves. And it says Artisan across it. It actually has the edition number of this deck. You'll also see that on the box as well. It says edition number and it says 2019. It could turn into a collector's item, you know, you having an earlier edition. So there you have it. This is the Artisan deck, the Black Edition. I hope you guys enjoyed this deck review. Oh, I didn't forget, I want to share with you guys a trick that you can do with this double backer. You would spread the cards out, have somebody pick a card. Let's say it's the Ace of Spades. You would then take this Ace of Spades and just flip it over. Take it, place it right in the center of the deck. Push it in, and just by snapping your fingers, the card jumps right back to the top. All right guys, so let me explain exactly how you perform the magic trick with the double back card. It's very simple. All you want to do is take your double backer. Here we have it, double backer. And you're just going to place this on the top of the deck. You're ready to go. At this point, you'll have somebody first select the card. You have them pick a card. Turn it over. We all established that the card is the Eight of Spades. So at this point, you're going to get what we call a pinky break. All you're going to do is just get a little break under the first card, which is your double backer. So you just get a little break under the double backer, okay? And you're going to take this card, sit it on top after you've gotten your break, and you can do that while they're looking at the card. You'll then take this card and turn it over. But you're not just turning over this card, you're actually turning over the double backer with it. So here's the double backer, which is on top of the deck. You've gotten a break under the double backer, just like so. And then you're going to take their card, sit it right on top, and you're just going to flip it over just like that and lay it down. After you do that, you take the top card off, place it in the middle, which they assume is the 8. You push it in, snap your fingers, and just turn over the top card. And there it is, the 8 of spades. So let me run through that really quickly one more time. You're gonna have your double backer at the top of the deck. You will then spread the cards, double backer on top. You'll spread the cards, you'll have somebody pick a card. Once they've selected a card, you get your break, put the card right on top, flip it over. Then you're gonna take the card, put it right in the middle, and snap your fingers, and there it is, it appears right on top. So there you have it, that is your trick with the double backer. All right guys, so that was the deck review of the Artisan deck, the black edition. I really enjoyed this deck. I think it's really cool that they've taken the black tones and found a way to dull down the deck, but still keep it nice and smooth, and it still stands out. It's very sleek, very stylish, and I love that Victorian feel that it has, but at the same time, it still has an elegant look. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also hit the bell for notifications. We have a new video every Wednesday, so be sure to tune in. The most important part is thank you guys for watching. Until next time, here's an unusual thought I'd like to leave you with. Is a brain fart just a sneeze? Yeah, that's an unusual thought.